Welcome to the recorded demo video of the Jharkhand Integrated Public Grievance Redressal System for Grievance Redressal Officer. In this video, you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the login option available on the system interface. To log in as an admin, select the admin option from the drop-down menu under the login button. Upon selecting the admin login, the user will be directed to the login page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, then click on the login button. After successfully login, the user will be redirected to the Grievance Redressal Officer dashboard. The Grievance Redressal Officer dashboard provides an overview of grievance summaries and options for related actions on the home page, including grievances received, grievances resolved, grievances pending, grievances rejected. Select the Search Grievance option on the dashboard to retrieve the desired grievance list or a specific grievance. Here, the user can filter the desired grievance or grievance list by filling in the relevant criteria. Select the Grievance Workflow under Workflow option on the dashboard to perform actions related to grievances. A list of grievances will be displayed, along with a filter option to retrieve the desired grievance in the Grievance Redressal Officer's inbox. To view grievances based on their status, select the related option. Grievances Outbox for forwarded grievances. Special grievances for escalated or important grievances. Highlighted grievances for high-priority grievances. Select your desired grievance from the inbox and click on the View option. Upon selecting the View option, the complete grievance workflow details will be displayed, showing its status along with options for related actions. If required, the user can update the grievance details by selecting the corresponding option. You can directly add your comment in the provided comment box, or take the following actions as required. Click on the Resolve option if the grievance can be resolved by the current members and enter the related comment. Click on the Reject option if the grievance cannot be resolved within the existing members and enter the related comment. If required, click on the Escalate option to forward the grievance to a higher panel. Click on the Transfer option to move the grievance to another workflow. Upon selecting the Transfer Workflow option, the user must select the respective ULB from the available list and click the View option. Upon selecting the View option, choose the specific workflow from the available list and click the Transfer option to proceed. The user will be prompted to enter a related comment in the comment box. After entering the comment, click the Transfer button to complete the process. A confirmation message for the successful complaint transfer will be displayed. Select the Reports option on the dashboard to view various reports, including Grievance Report, Grievance SLA Report, Workflow-wise Report, Resolution Days Report. To view the complete details of registered grievances, select the Grievance Report option. Upon selecting the Grievance Report option, a list of grievances will be displayed along with a filter option to retrieve your desired grievance. Select your desired grievance and click the View button to see its complete details. Grievance complete details will be displayed along with its current status. To view grievances based on service level agreement timelines, select the Grievance SLA Report option. Upon selecting the Grievance SLA Report option, a list of grievances will be displayed along with a filter option to retrieve your desired grievance. Select your desired grievance and click the View button to see its complete details. Grievance complete details will be displayed along with its current status. To view grievances categorized by different workflows, select the Workflow-wise report option. Upon selecting the Workflow-wise report option, a list of workflows will be displayed along with a filter option to retrieve your desired workflow. Select your desired workflow and click the View button to see the grievance list. The total number of grievances under the selected workflow will be displayed. To view the time taken to resolve grievances, select the Resolution Days Report option. Upon selecting the Resolution Days Report option, a list of grievances will be displayed along with a filter option to retrieve your desired grievance. Here, the user can see the grievance status and the duration in days taken for its resolution. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.